Code. Can you open Visual Studio Code?
Yes.
We should be in a position. We need to open Visual Studio Code. Sai, please ask the Shravan to join the session. Why should I ask here? Fine. Now, see this fun here. File, open folder. File, open folder. File, open folder. What is our folder? What is our folder? 06 UI10M. Our folder is UI10M folder. Let me go for the UI10M folder. Guys, are you people perfect with the Flexbox concept?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you people perfect with the Flexbox concept? Yes,
Yes,
so
sir.
you sent one personal message to me. Sir, Flexbox always in the row direction. The drawback of Flexbox is vertical direction not available. So
yes, sir. Yes, exactly, sir.
There's a correct point here. There's a correct point. Flexbox, guys, whatever the Flexbox is there, Flexbox always putting the focus on the row direction. It won't to put more focus on the Y direction, column direction. So in order to overcome the problem, they introduced one more concept in the CSS3. That concept we can call grid box concept. That concept, what do you call? That concept we can call grid box concept.
Exactly.
Shankar, say this one. Shankar, this is one layout. Shankar, this is one layout. This is the layout. In this layout, we have some elements. This is the element 1. This is the element 1. This is the element 2. This is the element 2. Next one, this is the element 3. This is the element 2. Next one is the, this is the element 3. Element 1, next one is the element 2. Next one is the element 3. Element 3 here. One more element available. Next one, this is the element 4 here. Here itself, we have the element 4. This is the element 4. Next one, this is the element 5. Yes, sir. Can I design this layout with the help of Flexbox? Can I design this layout with the help of Flexbox?
No.
Yes or not? Yes, we can design. No, never say no. Yes, we can design. This layout we can design by using Flexbox also, no doubt. Yes, we can design. But say this one here. Flexbox always putting the focus on X direction.
Yes. Sir.
Flexbox always putting the focus on which direction? X direction. But, we need the Y direction also now, because we need some easiness now. We need some easiness. So if you want to simplify the Flexbox concept, if you want to simplify the Flexbox concept, then I think I need the control both rows and as well as columns also. I need the easiness, guys. I need the easiness both rows and columns. If you need easiness both rows and columns, then we have one more concept. The concept is the which concept here? Grid concept. It itself. Left side which concept we have? Left side which concept?
Yes,
we have? Flex concept. Left side we have the flex concept. Right side we have the grid concept. Guys, this is one of the interview panel question. Try to know this one. What is the difference between flex and the grid? Shravan, what is the difference you need to tell? Flexbox always putting the focus on controls on only rows. Flexbox controls on only rows. Gridbox have the control on rows and columns. Practically we will see, guys. Practically we will see. Then we are feeling comfortable. Let me see the practically. Fine. See this fun. Here itself. Guys, can I create a new folder? Which folder? Grid folder. Can I create new file? Class fun.html. We need to create a new file. The file is the class fun.html. Here itself. What is the doc type we need to take?
Not a doc type.
Doc type we need to take? Vishnu, what is the doc type we need to take? Not a doc type. Not a doc type HTML. Narendra, join with the QID Narendra. Yes, not a doc type HTML. What is the root element?
HTML.
What is the root
HTML.
element H? No, Hussein. The root element is the HTML. Next one. HTML divided into how many sections?
Section.
Head and body.
Head section. Next one is
Body
the body section.
Body
It will be
section.
divided into head section. Next one is the body section. Okay. Next one. Under the head section, can I give the title? Title.
Yes.
Title
Can
equal
give the
to
title.
title equal to what you wanted to place CSS creator. Next one. Shankar, can I take the division?
Yes.
Yes, we can take the division. Yes, sir. This division may contain number of child divisions. Na?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Say this one. Here.
Yes.
This is the division one. Division, say this one. Here. Larem of 20. Larem of 20. Fun. Try to say this one. Here. How many child divisions we need to create? Second child division, third child division, fourth
5.
child division. Just to create the only 2 divisions. Don't create the more than 2. Just to create the only 2 divisions. Fun. Is it a Saurav? Is it a parent division?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This parent division contain how many child divisions?
2 child divisions.
Two child.
The parent division contain 2
Two
child
child.
divisions. Narendra, okay
Two
na?
child divisions.
Okay.
Narendra, okay na?
Absolutely.
Parent division contain 2 child divisions. Can I apply Shravan? Can I apply little bit of CSS? Can I apply little bit of CSS? Which is CSS we need to apply? Wrapper CSS. So how can I apply the wrapper CSS? Fine, guys. What is the tag we need to take?
Style tag.
Guys, what is the class we need to create?
Dot wrapper.
Dot wrapper.
Wrapper. Display equal to
Flex.
no, leave it.
No.
Display equal to flex. Say leave it. Background color equal to say this one can background color equal to hash some random color, guys. We need to apply the some random color. Next one, padding equal to 1 pixel na or 1 em. Padding equal to we should be in a position. We need to place the 1 em. Guys, are we getting the some background now?
Yes, sir. And padding also.
Some background we are getting. Just ignore it. Guys, this wrapper contain number of childs na. Child 1, child 2, something na. So how to focus it? Dot wrapper. This wrapper contain number of divisions na. This number of divisions. In that divisions, which division you need to focus here? Odd division. We need to focus on that division. Guys, background color equal to can I place some random color? Yes, we should be in a position we need to place some random color. Guys, automatically we are placing the some random color na.
Yes, sir. Only
Yes.
for the odd.
Guys, tell me,
Yes, sir.
tell me, you people need to tell Shravan, which class you created?
Wrapper.
Sai Kumar, I think Shravan won't be active here. Can you tell here? Sai Kumar, which class we need to create? Wrapper na? We need to create the wrapper. How to create the wrapper? Dot wrapper. Background color equal to some dummy color here. Just to place some EEFF something we need to place. Next one. How to maintain the padding? Padding equal to we should be in a position we need to mention the 1 em. Some padding we are able to maintain. And see this one here. This wrapper contain number of divisions na. Yes or not? This wrapper contain number of divisions na. Division 1, division 2, something is there na. Yes, division 1, division 2, division 3. So in that divisions also, can I identify yanta child? Can I identify yanta child here? Yes, we need to identify the odd divisions here. We need to identify the odd divisions here. Why say this one here? Background color equal to we need to maintain some random color. What are the random color is there? That random color we need to maintain here. Yes or not?
Yes.
Fine. Why say this one here? One more point is the guys. Can I put the focus on? Can I put the focus on? Try to see this one here. Display equal to grid. Display equal to grid. Any changes? No changes.
No.
Display equal to grid. No changes. Guys, how many columns you need?
2 columns.
But at present, how many? Listen. At present, how many columns you have? At present, how many columns you have?
At present, 1 column.
One column. At present, how many columns we have? 1 column.
One column.
Okay. 1 column. But I need 2 columns, sir.
Yes.
How can I get 2 columns, sir? Grid template columns.
Template column.
Grid template columns equal to, see this one here, 70%. Next one is the 30%. 70%. Next one is the what? Next one is the 30%.
30%.
70%. Next one is the 30% here. See this one here. Is it a 70%?
Yes, sir.
Is it a 70%?
Yes,
Next
sir.
one. Is it a
Yes, sir.
30%?
30%.
70%. Next one is a 30% here. We need a gap na. Column 1 to
Grid
column
gap.
2, we need the gap now. How to get the gap here?
Merge.
Grid column.
Good.
Grid column gap here. See this one here. Grid column gap. Grid column gap equal to, we need to place the 1 em. Yes, we are getting some gap now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is how much percentage? 70%.
70%,
How much
30%.
percentage? 30%. Guys, please expand here.
1
Shankar,
em.
Shankar, try to say this one. You need to say this one. Shankar, how many columns we have? Shankar, how
One
many
column.
columns we have?
One column.
Only one
One
column. Na?
column.
Here itself, we have the only one column here. Here itself, we have the only one column. Yes, here itself, we have the only one column. Shankar, but I need two columns. So I think, can you tell me how to get the two columns? Mr. Shravan, respond. How to get the two columns? Display equal to?
Display grid.
Grid.
Sai respond here. He never respond here. Display equal to?
Grid.
Display
Grid.
equal to grid.
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 Grid template.
Grid template columns equal to?
Columns.
First column percentage
Template
equal to?
column.
70%.
70%.
Second column percentage equal to?
30%.
30%.
70-30 we are getting or not? How to maintain the gap between them? How to maintain the
Grid.
gap between them?
Grid column gap.
Grid
Column gap.
grid column gap equal to 1
1
em.
em.
1 em.
1 em. Grid column gap equal to 1 em. Automatically we can maintain or not?
Yes.
Automatically we can maintain. Shankar, can I go for the number of divisions? Let me go for the number
Sure.
of divisions. We should be in a position, we need to go for the number of divisions. This is the division 3. This is the
4.
division 4. This is the division 3 and this is the division 4. See this one. Here itself, how many columns we are able to see?
2 columns.
Two
Two
columns.
columns. How many rows we are able to see?
2 row.
Rows.
Two rows.
How many rows we are able to see? 2 rows na?
2 rows.
We're able to see the 2 rows. Fun. See this fun here, guys. And one more point, guys. Between the rows also, I need some gap. How can I get the gap here?
Grid row.
Row
gap.
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 Grid
Row
gap. Grid row gap equal to 1
1
em.
em.
Between the rows also, I need the gap.
Yes.
Yes or not? So
Yes.
how many columns we have? 2
Two
columns.
columns.
How
columns.
many rows we have?
2
Two
rows.
rows.
Guys, did you define any rows here?
No.
No.
sir.
But rows will come automatically or not?
Automatically.
Yes.
Rows will come automatically. Fun, try to say this one. Can I place one more division here? Let me place the one more division. How many columns you are expecting?
Two columns.
2 columns. How many rows you are expecting?
Three rows.
3 rows. 3 rows. 3 rows.
Three rows.
We're expecting the 3 rows. We're getting the 3 rows or not?
Yes.
Yes, we are getting the 3 rows. 2 columns we are expecting. Next one, 3 rows we are getting here. Okay, now guys, first basic example here. Are you feeling comfortable with the first basic example?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
can I
Very
go
good,
for the? Can I go for the another example?
Yes, sir.
Can I go
Yes,
for another
yes.
example? Let me go for another example. Guys, let me create the number of files here because don't write everything in the single file. If I write everything in the single file, it's difficult to practice yourself here. It's too much difficult to practice yourself here. Let me go for the different file here. Guys, can I create the class 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I create the class 2? Say this one here. Class 2.html. Guys, can I take the doc type here? Not to doc type HTML. Guys, what is the root element? Root element is
HTML.
HTML. Guys, HTML divided into how many sections?
Head and
2
body.
sections.
Head
Two
and
sections.
Section,
Head
head
and
section.
body.
Second section is the body section. First section is the head section here. Second section is the body section here. Guys, can I go for the title here? Title equal to what you want to place it.
CSS
Title
grid.
equal to we should
CSS
we
grid.
need to maintain the CSS grid. Title equal to CSS grid we need to maintain. Guys, say this one here. Here itself, can I take the wrapper class?
Yes.
Can I take the wrapper class? Yes, we need to create the wrapper class. Guys, here itself, is it contain number of childs?
Yes.
Child 1, next one is the child 1, next one is the child 2, child 1, child 2, next one is the child 3. Like this also, number of childs we have now, we have the number of childs. Guys, can I apply the CSS here? Can I apply the
Yes.
CSS here? Style equal to,
Style tag.
style equal to, wrapper equal to something here, wrapper equal to something here. Next one is the wrapper order divisions. Wrapper order divisions are something here. Okay, now
Three.
fine. Now
Yes.
guys, see this one here. Can I go for the content here? Can I
Yes,
go
sir.
for the content here? Larem of 50. Can I go for the Larem of 50? Yes, we should be in a position. We need to go for the Larem of 50. Shravan following now.
I am following, sir.
See this one here. Next one, Larem of 50. Larem of 50 we need to mention. Let me mention the Larem of 50. Yes. Can I execute this application?
Okay.
Yes,
Shravan, how many columns we have?
One column.
One column.
one column.
One column. We have the only one column. Shankar,
Yes, sir.
I need 3 equivalent columns. I need 3 equal columns. I need
Displays
3 equal
yes.
columns. How can I get 3
Read column
equal
template.
columns? How can I get
Dot wrapper.
Dot wrapper.
wrapper display
Display
equal to
equal to
grid.
grid.
display equal to grid.
Grid.
Is equal to
Grid.
Template.
Template columns.
Template columns equal to
50, 50, 50.
70.
no.
50, 50, 50 in the sense what?
See,
No, I need the
100
screen.
percentage.
Live here. Screen, I wanted to divide it into 3 parts.
Okay.
Screen, I
equal
wanted
parts,
to
na?
divide into 3 parts. So 33%. 33%. Next one. 33%. Next
Okay,
one.
okay, okay.
33%. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
100% is.
Yeah, say this one. 33%, 33%, 33%. Guys, it's a difficult na. It's a difficult or not? Too much difficult here, too much difficult. But we need the some equal dimensions na. Say this one. 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR. Guys, do you know the meaning here? The
No,
screen.
don't know, sir.
Yes, say this one. The screen, I wanted to divide it
Fragment.
into 3 partitions. The
Yes.
column, how many columns you need? 3 columns.
Three columns.
Columns. Each column go to whole screen by 3. Listen here. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What do you call 3 na? So what happened again? 100 by 3. So first partition goes to where? 1 FR. Second partition goes to where? 1 FR. Third partition goes to where? 1 FR. Shravan not understanding na? Shravan.
Ah, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, say this
Sir.
one. Shravan, say this one here. Grid template columns equal to
Sir,
how
FR
many
is the
columns you need?
dimension, no?
Yeah, see this one. How many columns you need? 3 columns na? 33.33%. Next one. 33.33%. Next one. 33.33%. 33.33%. Next one. See this one here. Sir, you wrote wrapper class in 2 times. Where we write here?
Sir,
No, we can write it.
Very-
Yeah, we can write it. The reason is the first wrapper purpose is the whole. Second wrapper purpose is the to define the grid. Is in the real time also same standards are there. No issue. It's recommended to write like this also. 33.33. And one more point, Smita. Overriding won't be happen. Overriding never be happen. Here itself the reason is some styles. Here itself some styles are there. So in the real time also the thing will be like this game. And Shravan, see this one here. 33, 33, 33. I think see this one here. Are you using 100% Shravan?
No, sir.
No, still 0.1% missing na.
Still not.
Yes, but we are not
Room
happy
for
with
gap.
this one na. Still we are not happy here. So how to fill the happy here? 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR. So the screen divided into how many partitions? 3
Three
partitions.
partitions.
3.
First partition goes to first column, second partition goes to second column, third partition goes to third column. Okay na, Shravan? Yes.
Okay.
Say this one. Shravan, how to maintain the gap?
Okay, sir.
How to maintain the gap here? Grid,
column.
grid, column gap.
Column gap.
Say this one
Column
here.
gap.
Grid, column gap. Grid, column gap equal to grid, column gap
1
equal
EM.
to. We should be in a position. We need to place the 1 EM.
Yeah.
Automatically, we are getting the columns na. Automatically, we are getting the columns or not? Automatically, we are getting the columns here. Fine. Shravan, one more point. One more point is the here itself. See this one here. How to divide screen into 3 partitions? How to divide grid template columns equal to 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR. But are you feeling comfortable like 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR? No.
Sir.
The reason is repeated na.
Yes, sir.
Repeated or not? It is repeated here. So can I remove this one here? Remove this one here. So here itself we have one function. Which function we have? Repeat function. How many
Repeat.
columns you need? How many columns you
Three
need?
columns.
Three
columns.
columns. Each column equal to what is the size here? 1 FR.
1 FR.
1 FR.
I need 3 columns.
Okay.
Each one equal to 1 FR.
1
Shravani,
FR.
Shravani
Yes, sir.
respond here. Yes, sir, see this one here. So the same output we are getting now. Same
Yes,
output
sir.
we are getting or not? Same output we are getting. How to maintain the gap
So
here?
can I use if
How to-
W
Yeah, say this one
instead
here.
of
Yeah,
FR?
say this one here. 1 second. Can I use the column gap here? How to use
Grid
the
column
here?
gap.
Grid column
Grid
gap.
column gap here. Here itself, we need to go for grid column gap. Grid column gap equal to, we should be in a
1
position,
EM.
we need to press 1 EM. Yes, we are getting now.
Hmm.
We are
Yes,
getting
sir.
boys. Row wise also, how to get the gap? Row wise also. How to get the gap in a row wise
Grid
also?
row gap.
Grid row gap.
Row
Grid
gap.
row gap.
Oh.
Say this one can. And here itself,
1
we need
EM.
to go for the grid row gap here.
Oh.
Grid row gap equal to 1 EM.
1
Grid
EM.
row gap equal to 1
1
EM. Automatically, we are getting the gap in the row wise also now. Say this one can.
Yes, sir.
Here also, column wise we are maintaining the gap can. And the row wise also we are maintaining the gap can.
Oh, is-
Can I use it at only one at a time can? Yes, sir. How can I use it can? How can I use it can? Grid gap. Grid gap
Grid
equal to
yeah,
grid
row.
gap equal to grid gap equal to 1 EM. So this grid gap applicable to both the column and
Column
rows.
and row.
Grid gap column
Okay.
equal to 1 EM.
1 EM.
Grid gap row equal to 1. Grid gap
1
row
EM.
equal to 1 EM. Guys, are you feeling comfortable regarding this one?
Yes, yes.
Everyone,
Sir,
everyone,
will
guys.
it apply for both, sir?
Yeah.
Will it apply both for rows and column?
Both. Grid column gap equal to 1 EM. The meaning of line number 24. What is the meaning of line number 24? The meaning of line number 24 is the grid column gap equal to 1 EM. Grid row gap equal to 1 EM. So that is the meaning here. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na, guys. Sorry, people.
Yes,
Okay. Yes, guys. Say this one here. Can I go for another example?
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, can I go for another example? Narendra, can I go
Yes,
for
sir.
another example? Narendra, can I create another HTML?
Yes, sir.
Narendra, can I create another HTML? Which
Yeah.
HTML we need to create? Which
Absolutely.
HTML we need to create?
Class
Class 3
3.
done. Class 3 dot HTML. We should be in a position. We need to create the class 3 dot HTML. We need to create. Fine. In a class 3 dot HTML, guys, the same example. Don't fill the repetitions because while practicing, it will be helpful to you. In each and every file, a separate properties are there. Then it will be helpful to you. Guys, see this one here. Not to doc type HTML. Guys, who is the root element? The root element is the HTML. HTML divided into how many sections? 2 sections. Head section,
Then
head
body.
section. Second
Body.
section is the body section. Head section. Next one is the body section here. Fine. Guys, see this one here. Here itself, just to take the parent division. Just to take the parent division. This parent division contain number of child division. This is the child division 1. Say this one here. This is the child division 1. This is the child division 1. This is the child division 1 na. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
And the next one. This
Yes,
is the
sir.
child division 2. This is the child division 3. This is the child division 4. This is the child division 5. This is the child division 6. This is the child division 7. Shankar, totally how many child divisions we have?
7.
7 child.
7. Shankar, what is the class we need to apply? Class equal to?
Class
Class
equal
equal
to
to which class?
Parent
class.
Parent class.
Shravani respond here. Class equal to which class?
Parent class.
Shabir.
Yes.
Shabir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, a serious one. How to create parent class?
Dot
How to
Style
create
tag.
parent class?
Style tag.
Under the style tag,
Dot
which class we need to
Dot
create?
parent.
Parent class. Parent class can. So, guys, in this parent class, do we have number of divisions?
Yes.
In
Yes,
this
sir.
parent class, do we have number of divisions? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. In that divisions, identify the odd child. See this one. This is the parent class, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this parent class, number of divisions are available, na?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In that divisions, identify the child classes, odd classes. Guys, 1 is odd or not?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
3
Yes.
odd is odd or
One,
not?
three,
Yes, sir.
7.
5 is odd
5,
or not?
7.
Yes.
7 is the
7.
odd or not? 7 is the odd here. Guys, see this one here. Background color equal to some color we need to mention. Background
Blue.
color equal to, we should be in a position we need to mention some color. Background color equal to some color we need to mention. Guys, see this one here. 1 equal to some color. 3 equal
Yes.
to some color. 5 equal to some
Yeah.
color. 7 equal to some color. Fine. Shravan, Sai, respond here. Sai,
Sir.
what is the class? Sai, what is the class? Parent class na? Parent
Parent.
class. Is a parent class contain number of divisions?
Divisions.
Yes, sir.
Is a parent class contain number of divisions? Yes, sir. Parent class contain. Coming to the parent class contain number
Yes,
of
sir.
divisions na? In that divisions, identify the odd divisions.
Odd
How can I identify odd division? Odd. Odd
And
again. Here itself.
child.
Background color equal to some dummy color we need to place. What are the color you wanted to mention? That color we need to mention here. Sai, can I ask one question again? I need 3 columns. Sai, I need 3 columns.
One for
No, na, maybe difficult na, guys. I need the 3
Yes.
columns. Anyone?
Display equal to grid.
Wait here, Saurav. Guys,
Okay, sir.
I need the 3 columns. How can I get the 3 columns?
One FR, one FR, one FR.
Hmm. One have farm. Say this one. We
Grid
need the 3
template
columns.
column.
Grid.
How can I get the 3 columns? Wait
display
here, wait.
equal to
Through the
Grid
grid
column.
and otherwise row.
Display equal to grid.
Wait here, because I'm getting. I need some answers, na. Wait here. I need
Yes,
some
sir.
answers, guys. What is the answer? How to get it? Shravan, how to get it? Can display equal to what is the class we need to create?
Parent.
Parent
not
class.
parent
We
class.
need to create one class. Which class we need to
Dot,
create?
dot parent class.
Dot parent class here. Here itself, we need to create one
Display
class here.
equal to
The class
grid.
equal to display dot parent.
Parent.
Na? Dot parent. Shravan, display
Now we
equal
are
to
writing
display equal to grid.
equal to
Grid.
grid.
Dot.
Next one.
And then
Grid
grid
template rows.
Grid gap.
Template columns equal to
we do the
grid
one
template
FR,
columns equal to no.
one FR,
Repeat
Repeat.
of
repeat
3
of
comma
Speed of 3.
comma 3 comma
1
1
FR.
FR. 1 FR. Next one. Grid gap equal to what is the grid
1
gap?
em.
1
1 em.
em.
Yeah, see this
Em.
one here.
Em.
Grid gap. Grid gap equal to once again can grid gap equal to 1 em.
1 em.
Yes, we are getting or not?
Yeah, awesome.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Yes, sir. We are getting here. Next one, guys.
Yes,
One
sir.
more point. One more point is that division height I want to increase. Division is there na? That division.
sir.
This is the division na? This is the division na?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes,
This is
sir.
division
Yes,
1,
sir.
division 2, division 3, division 4, division 5, division 6, division 7. These divisions height I want to increase here. How can I
Yes.
increase that divisions height?
In padding.
Grid auto
Grid
auto rows. Auto rows equal to 100 pixels. Yes,
Okay.
guys, that divisions height increase in na?
Hmm.
Yes or not? Guys,
Yes,
say
sir.
this one. How many rows you need? How many rows you need? 3. How can I
3
get it here?
rows.
Sai, how can I get it here? Display equal to
Grid.
display
equal
equal
to
to
grid.
Display equal to grid.
display equal to grid na? Say this one
Templates.
here. Display equal to grid here. Display equal to grid here. Next one. Grid
Grid
Grid.
template row.
template columns equal to
Template
grid
columns.
to templates column
Repeat.
equal to grid to template column equal to what you wanted to place again. Grid to templates column equal to
Repeat.
once again again.
1
Here
FR.
itself repeat of
CSS predefined.
repeat of once again
3,
again.
1
comma
FR.
Two arguments.
Once again here,
3,
once
1
again
FR.
once again here. 4 comma how many columns? 4
4
columns.
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 4 columns.
1 FR comma 2 FR.
2 FR.
1 FR comma 2 FR here. What is the who is the first person? 1
1
FR.
FR.
Who is
1
the
FR.
second person? 2 FR.
2
FR here. Not getting na?
Not getting, sir.
Sir, remove 2 FR, I think.
Repeat function only takes 2 arguments.
No, it will take the
Not
3
right.
arguments. It will take the 3 arguments. It will take the 3 arguments. Display equal to grid to template columns equal to okay fine. I will check here. I think it will take the 2 arguments, guys. Fine. Next one, guys, say this one here. One more point. One more point is the how to maintain the gap again. How to maintain the gap here.
Grid gap.
Grid
Grid
gap.
gap. Where grid gap here. Grid gap equal to and here itself we need to go for the grid gap. Grid gap equal to 1 em.
1 em.
Guys, how to increase the height of division?
Auto rows.
Grid
Exactly,
auto.
exactly. Grid
Grid
auto
auto
rows.
rows.
Grid auto rows equal to grid auto rows equal to 100 pixel.
100
Grid
pixels.
auto rows equal to 100 pixel here. No issue here. Guys, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Guys, say this funny. Here the content is the very less content, na?
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The content is the very less content. So 100 pixel okay. 100 pixel
Yes.
okay na? 100
Yes.
pixel okay here. But if I have the more content, see this one here. For example, go to the third here. This is he's the third fellow na?
Third
Yes,
fellow.
Yes, sir.
This fellow contain more content, not this
Lorem
content
is
care more
equal to
content.
500.
Lorem equal to some 50. Lorem equal to some 50 care. Is it contain more content?
Yes, sir, more content.
Guys, is it good now?
No.
No, guys,
it's
series
No.
one.
But height,
overlapping.
height
It's overriding.
not-
Yeah, guys, how to overcome the problem? Can I increase the height? Can
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I increase the height? Can yes. Yes, we can increase the height or not. But
Mhm.
guys, because of this fellow, these members also feeling suffer or not.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suffers.
Because
Sir.
of this fellow,
Wanting the one,
see this one here, these fellows also suffering or not.
Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
Yes, we need to work on that suffering problem now.
Yes,
We need to
sir.
work on that suffering problem. To overcome that suffering problem here itself, don't specify like this care. Then we need to go for the min max of what? Min max of we should be in a
100
position.
pixel.
We need to place the min max of we should be in a position. We need to mention the 100 pixels. We need to specify here. So up to 100 pixel, no issue.
Okay.
It is crossing, increment it here. Otherwise, just keep the 100 pixel.
Okay. Okay.
Guys, catch my point or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or not? Guys, a series fun here. Because
sir.
of this person, how many members are affected? This person and this person. And the remaining persons are happy or not?
Yes, sir.
Remaining persons are happy or not? Remaining persons are happy. Guys, you need to cast this sensitive point, guys. Fine. Guys,
Like the
how-
minimum width and maximum width.
exactly. Min max playing the major role, guys. It is playing the
Yes.
major role here. Try to refresh it. We need to refresh it again.
It got less.
Leave it here. Guys, a series one here. Totally, how many columns we have?
Three.
Three
Total, how
columns.
many columns we have?
Columns.
3 columns.
Three
Guys,
columns.
how to increase the height of the column?
Three
How to
columns.
increase the height of the
Grid
column?
auto rows.
Auto
Grid
rows.
auto rows.
Auto rows.
Auto rows equal to 100 pixel.
100 pixels.
No issue na. Grid auto rows equal to 100 pixel care. No
Yes,
issue care.
sir.
No, yeah,
Not an
everyone. No, everyone should reflect na.
Grid
Uh,
auto rows.
Grid
Grid
auto,
auto
sir.
rows.
It is given as
Grid
grid
auto rows.
template.
Grid
auto
auto
rows.
rows equal to 100 pixel. Yes, everyone affected na.
Everyone
affected ka, not an issue care. Shankar, go to the first fellow. We need to go to the first fellow here. Go to the first fellow. Here itself, we have the more and more content. Here itself, we have the more and more content here. Second content, third content, fourth content, fifth content, sixth content, seventh content, eighth content, ninth content, 10th content. So it is crossing. No, it's not crossing now. See this
It's
one
not
here.
crossing right now.
Overlapping.
Yeah, see this fun carry. It is crossing 100 pixels now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it's not good now. It's
No,
not good. So
Not good.
based on the content, the size should increase or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Based on the content, the size should increase. So if you want to achieve that one, which property we need to use?
Min max.
Min max.
Which property we need to use? Min
Use
max.
the one
Yeah,
predefined
min max.
10%.
Min max
Min
equal to we should
100.
100
we need
pixel.
to place the 100 pixel. Min max
Yes,
equal to, and here itself we should be in a position we need to place the 100 pixel here. 100 pixel comma 100 pixel comma. Next one is the auto. Auto in the sense what? Based on the requirement, it should increase here. But now see this one here. Why see this one here? So why observe this one here? This row adjusted or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And
Just it.
coming to the second row 100 or not? Coming to the third row also 100 or not? Second row 100, third row 100. First
Mhm.
row
Sir, may I
more than
maintain that?
first row
this row?
more than 100 na?
More than
First
100.
row more than 100. Second row 100, third row 100.
100.
How we are getting the 100 here? Because of auto.
Auto.
Second row, third row, because of auto, getting the 100. Coming to the first row, crosses the 100 or not? Crosses the
100.
For example,
But it should be 100.
say this one here. For example, I done the copy paste once again here. Guys, first row crossed more than 100 na? More
Yes,
than
sir.
100. Coming to the second row, how much here? 100. Coming to the
100.
third row, how much height here? 100.
100.
So that is the advantage of the min max here. That is the advantage of what? Min max. Guys, if I remove the content here, what happen here? First fellow 100, second fellow 100, third fellow 100 here. Yes or not? So
Yes.
Yes.
that is the advantage of the min max. That's the advantage of the what? Min max.
Min max.
Min max.
Guys, anyone want to ask the question here?
Sir,
Which question? Someone trying
may
to ask
I
the question.
contain the scroll inside the scroll of that.
Why not? Why not? We can create the scroll. I think you were asking like inside the grid box itself, you need to create the scroll itself.
Yeah,
Yes or not? We can create it here. You need to try scroll code inside the grid box itself. Okay, na? I think it may not create here. You need to do the scroll bar here. Fun. That fun also, if you need that fun, okay. If you need that fun, then we will say here. Fine. Next one, guys. What is the question here? Tell me here.
Min max 100 pixel and auto.
You are not understanding that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Remove this one. Okay. Each person each row height is what?
100 pixel.
100. Just increase the content here. You need to increase the content here. Increase the content here. Alarm of 250. What is the problem?
It's overlapping.
It's more
Overlapping.
than
How
100.
to overcome that overlapping here? How to overcome that overlapping here? Respond here.
Grid
How
auto
say this one here? Grid auto rows equal to
min
grid
max
auto rows
Min
equal to
max of
min max. Minimum should be
100
100
pixel.
pixel.
100.
Yes.
If 100 pixel, say this one here, say this one here. If 100 pixel crosses, increase the height automatically. Okay,
Okay.
now if 100 pixel crosses, increase the height automatically here. But remaining person should be 100 pixel. Remaining
100
person should be what? Auto.
Okay.
Auto. See this one here. So first person affected or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Second person equal to what? Only 100 pixel.
100.
Third person equal to what? Only 100 pixel. So this auto applicable to non-affecting people.
Okay.
Okay, na? This min max applicable to affecting people. That is the meaning of min max. So guys, can I go for another example?
Yes, sir.
Guys, can I go for another example?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Let me go for another
Sir,
example. here.
CSS support function also, sir. It is a CSS function.
Yeah,
Java
CSS function. Don't say Java function. Don't bring the Java here. This is the CSS function, sir.
means Java
Okay, na?
script, sir. I'm not.
Yeah.
It is different
Yeah.
from Java.
Yeah, see this
Yes,
one.
sir.
I can
Can
this
we
function
create-
related to CSS.
Yes, sir. It can be created our own function. like
Yes,
that.
we can create a customization is possible. Yes, sir. You are asking like not like that Shankar function. Yes, we can create
Yes,
it.
sir.
Maybe through the customization it's possible. Fine. Next one. Guys, see this one. Can I create another example? Guys, can I
Yes,
create
yes, sir.
another example? Class 4 dot HTML.
HTML.
We should be in a position. We need to create another function. Which function we need to create? Class 4 dot HTML. We need to create here. Guys, see this one here. I need 3 columns. Guys, I need the 3 columns. How can I get the 3 columns? Not doc type HTML. Who is the root element? Who is the root
HTML.
element? HTML. HTML divided into how many sections? 2 sections.
Head body.
Head section, second section is the body section. Here itself. Can I take the division again? Division class equal to parent. Division
Parent.
class equal to parent again. Next one. Can I take the 9 divisions again? Can I take the 9 divisions
Okay.
here? This is the division 1, division 2, division 3, division 4, division 5, division 6, division 7, division 8, division 9. Narendra, how many divisions we taken?
9
Narendra,
Eight.
9 divisions we
Nine,
taken. Na?
yeah.
9 divisions we taken here. Narendra, can I take the style tag?
Yeah,
Yes,
in
sir.
head
Can
section.
I take the
parent.
parent
Dot
here?
parent.
Can I take the parent here? Dot
Not
parent.
parent.
This
Dot
parent contain number of divisions na? Number of
Mhm.
divisions. See
Yes,
this
sir.
one here. Width equal to 100 pixel.
100
Height equal to 100 pixel. Border equal to
100
border equal
pixel.
to 1 pixel.
1
Border
pixel
equal to
Solid
border
red
also-
color.
yeah, border equal to 1 pixel. Solid red color. We need to mention. Fun. Now see this one here. How many divisions we are able to see?
9 division.
9.
Yes, sir. We are able to see the 9 divisions na division 1, division 2, division 3. Around the
Yes.
9 divisions we need to see. Shankar, I need 3 columns. How can I get the 3 columns? How can I get the 3 columns? Any answer?
parent.
Dot
Parent.
dot parent.
Display equal to grid.
Display equal to
Display
grid.
Grid.
Display equal to grid. Next one.
Grid.
Grid.
Template
Grid.
column.
Template
columns
column.
equal to
Column.
Grid
Repeat.
template columns
Repeat.
equal to repeat of 3
Template.
comma
3 comma
3 comma
1 FR.
1 FR.
1 FR.
3 comma 1 FR here. Yes, we are getting now 3 comma
Yes.
1 FR we are getting here. How to maintain the gap? How to maintain the gap here? Grid gap.
Grid gap.
Grid
Here
gap.
is one here, and here itself
Grid
we
gap.
need to go for the gap. Grid gap.
Grid gap.
Grid gap equal to 1
1
EM.
EM.
Grid gap equal to
1 EM.
should be in a position we need to place the 1 EM. Grid gap equal to 1 EM.
Oh.
Automatically we're able to say the gap na.
Yes.
Automatically we're able to set the gap or not. Automatically we're able to set the gap here. Whatever the gap is there, that gap we're able to say here. Fine.
Sir,
Shankar,
can we add some
Shankar,
image?
yeah,
in
say
there?
this one here. Shankar, say this one here. Go to the fifth person. Is he fifth person?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth
Inside, listen here. This is the fifth person na.
person. Yes.
Inside the fifth person, 9 more divisions.
Yes.
Inside the fifth person, 9 more divisions. We need to go for 1 more 9 divisions. Where inside the fifth person. Fine. Can you identify the fifth person?
Yes, sir.
Where is the fifth person? Where is the fifth person?
Parent.
Person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
He is the fifth person na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Class equal to see this one here, fifth fellow. Class equal to fifth fellow na? He is the fifth
Yes.
fellow.
Yes,
This
sir.
fellow contain how many divisions?
9 division.
One more 9
Nine
divisions.
division.
This fellow
9.
contain 1 more 9
Nine.
divisions. Division 1, next one is the division 2, division 3, division 4, division 5, division 6, division 7, division 8, division 9. How many divisions it contain here? 9 divisions.
divisions.
Fine, see this one here. Can I apply little bit of CSS again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is the name of the class?
Dot of
Fifth fellow. Dot
Correct.
fifth fellow.
Fellow.
Fifth
Yeah,
fellow.
it contain divisions na?
Yes.
It contain the divisions. It contain the divisions here. Guys, width equal to we need to place the 10 pixel. Height equal to 10 pixel here. Yeah, can I increase it here? Width equal to 20
Yes,
pixel.
yes.
Height equal to 20 pixel here. Border equal to
Border equal to.
border equal to 1
1
pixel.
pixel.
Blue
Border
color.
equal to 1 pixel. Solid green color here. 1 pixel solid
Yes.
green color we need to mention here. What happened here?
Not
Because
working, sir.
once again, no. Because the reason is because of that CSS here. Because of that CSS it's affected here. Because of that CSS itself. Because of that CSS it's affected here. Guys, wait here. I need to work on the problem here. Guys, say this one here.
Sir,
Here itself,
you may
class
increase
equal
the
to
pixels.
class equal to. Chalo, you are unable to see na? You
Yes,
are
sir.
unable to see na? Say this one here. Class equal to child. Guys, class equal to child here. Otherwise, see this one, guys. Remove this one. Guys, we need to remove this one. Just apply the inline CSS here. We need to apply some inline CSS here. Try to apply some inline CSS here. Guys, this precedence is there na? Because of precedence we are unable to see, guys. Because of the precedence we are unable to see here. Fine. Close this one. We need to close this one. Guys, try to run it once again. Can we need to run it once again? Try to run it again. We are able to see the only 2 things na? Okay, fine.
Only,
Not an issue.
only 2
Can.
division.
Not an issue here. Guys, we need to apply the different classes. We need to apply, guys. Wait, can. Guys, instead of divisions here, don't take the divisions again. Instead of divisions, just take the span elements. Just to take which elements you need to take
Hello,
span
sir.
elements.
Hello,
Let
sir.
me take the span elements here.
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Second.
Hello,
third one,
sir.
tell me here. Tell me.
Actually, not 29, 20, line number 27, sir.
27. It's wrong. Na?
Yeah, sir.
It's wrong. Wait, can.
And 28 also, sir.
20.
8.
28 na.
28. DIV. Only DIV.
So our thinking is right. Our thinking is right na. Fun. Let me see this one. Can. Oh my
Yes,
god.
sir.
Fun. See this one. Can another division can. Just to go for the another division can. Can I keep only one division? Yes, just to keep only one division can. Here just to increase this one can. Width equal to 20 pixel. Height equal to 20 pixel. Border equal to 1 pixel. 1 pixel. Solid green color. Green color here. It should applicable to whom? Child itself. Na?
Yes.
Yes, we got it or not?
Yes.
We got
Yes,
one more
sir.
division na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
our thinking is right. I'm not precedence here, but we are not thinking Broadway. Fun. Can I create a 9 divisions again? Second division,
Yes, we can.
third division, fourth division, fifth division, sixth division, seventh division, eighth division, ninth division. How
Not
many
working,
divisions we
sir.
have? How many divisions we have? 9 divisions.
9 divisions.
Ravan, 7, it will work. It will work. We will write your name also there itself. It will work. Fine. Shravan, see
Hmm.
this one here. 9 divisions we are getting now. Shravan,
Yes.
display that 9
Got,
divisions
sir,
in
but
yeah, see this one here. Display that 9 divisions with the 3 columns. Sir. How can you display? How can you display? Guys, respond. How can you display here?
Yes, sir.
How can
Dot
you display
fifth
here?
fellow.
Dot
Dot
fifth
fifth
fellow.
fellow.
Fine. Dot
Display
fifth
equal to
fellow.
grid.
Display equal to
Display
Display
grid.
equal to
grid.
grid.
grid. Display equal to
Grid
grid. Here.
template
Next one.
columns.
Grid
Template column.
template columns
Template
equal to
columns equal to
Repeat
repeat of
Repeat
3.
3
3,
comma
3
comma,
comma
1 FR.
FR. Yes, it will come or not.
yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It will come here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
next one. Go sir. And one
Great.
more point. One more point is the go sir. Can I go for the grid gap here?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for the grid gap? Is it
Grid
possible to
gap
go for the
equal
grid
to
gap here? Grid gap equal to and here
1
it's
EM.
we need to
1
place the 1
EM.
EM. Grid gap equal to I think already there. I hope already applied here. Grid gap equal to 1 EM. Can I increase it? Can I go for the T2 EM? I think it's crossing now.
It's
It's crossing, guys.
Yes.
Can I place the 1.5? Can I place the 1.5 EM? Let me go for the 1.5
sir.
EM. 1.5 also crossing now.
sir.
Just
Not
a-
to cause
1
it.
EM is
1 EM is the correct here. 1
Correct.
EM is the correct here. Let me go for the only 1 EM. What are the 1 EM is there? That 1 EM we need to plus here. So that's a correct dimension here. 1 EM is the correct here. Yes or not?
Yes.
Fifth fellow divided into how many columns?
9.
Nine
No,
Three columns.
Three
Three
columns.
columns.
Three columns.
3 columns. Okay, na? Fine. Go is a series one here. Go to the we need to go to the 9th person.
yes.
Go to the 9th person itself here. He's the 9th person. Na?
Last one.
Last.
He's the 9th person.
Last
Na?
one.
Yes, he's
Last
the
one.
9th person here. Fine. In this
Nine.
9th person, class equal to class equal to
Ninth
say
fellow.
this one here,
Ninth fellow.
9th. Say this one here, class equal to we need to place some 9th fellow or something we
Ninth.
need to place here.
Yes.
Here itself, guys, say this one here. Can I create only 4 divisions?
Yes.
Can I create only 4 divisions? Division 1, Division 2, Division 3, Division 4. Division 1, Division 2, Division 3, Division 4. Can I apply the CSS here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Dot.
Fine. Guys, say this one can. Here itself, observe this one can. Can I go for this one can? Yes, let me go for this
Dot
one can.
9th fellow.
Here itself, dot 9th fellow.
9th
This 9th fellow contain
Div.
number of divisions na?
Yes, sir.
Number of divisions can. This 9th fellow contain
With
number
the-
of divisions can. Here
Okay.
itself, if you go for the number of divisions can, if you go for the number of divisions can, what you wanted to place can, width equal
Width
to
equal to
width equal to
Right.
25 pixel can.
20
Width equal to 25 pixel,
height
height
equal to
height
25
equal to
pixel.
25 pixels can. And border
Border
equal to
equal to
border equal to
equal to
1
one
pixel
2 pixel,
solid.
2
Two
pixel,
pixels.
solid, some color we need to mention. Some color we need to mention can. Yes, guys, we got it
Yeah.
now. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, go for the only 2 columns. Go for the only 2 columns. How can I create the only 2 columns? Dot
Ninth
dot
fellow.
ninth
Ninth
fellow.
fellow.
Display grid.
Display equal to
Display equal to
Grid.
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 grid
Grid template.
Template
Template
columns
columns.
equal to
equal
Repeat
to
2.
grid to template columns equal to see this one here.
Repeat
Grid
2.
to, listen can
2.
grid to template columns equal to wait can 2 FR 1 FR
FR.
2 FR 1 FR can
Yes.
2 but we can't see
Yeah.
that one because I think we fixed that size na 25
yes.
pixel 25 pixel we fixed na we fixed it. So because of that reason we can't see can. Otherwise just to place the only 1 FR. Here itself we need to
Yes,
place the
sir.
repeat of
Repeat of
repeat of
repeat of 2
comma,
2 comma 1
2 comma
FR.
1 FR.
2
Comma 1
or
FR.
2 comma 1 FR 2 comma 1 FR can automatically we can place it can. Fine, guys, gap also
sir.
there na gap
Yes.
also there
Grid
can.
gap.
Say this one
Grid
here
gap.
also.
Grid gap
Grid gap
equal
equal
to
to grid
1
gap
EM.
equal to
1
say this one
Good.
here. Grid gap equal to grid gap equal to
1 EM.
grid gap equal to we need to mention 1 EM. Grid gap equal to 1 EM we need to mention here.
Yes.
Okay na? Okay na?
1.5.
Guys, easier not coming to the Flexbox grid box is easier not.
Easy.
Yes.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
And the
coming to the
Flexbox.
Flexbox here, coming to the Flexbox grid box is easy. Don't think easy, guys. It contains so many properties also. N number of properties are there, and grid box also we have so many properties. All the properties we need to see here. Fine. Next one, guys. How many properties we done? Basic explanation today. Whatever we done, basic level here, guys. What is the concept we are saying here?
Grid
na?
concept.
box.
Yes.
Grid.
Grid.
Guys, under the grid, what is the first property we see?
Display equal to grid.
Display
Display
equal
equal to
Display
grid.
grid.
equal to grid. Display equal to grid. So, guys, what is the second one?
Grid
Grid
template.
template
Template.
column.
Second one.
Templates,
Second one is
columns.
the
Column.
grid.
Columns and rows.
Grid. Grid.
Template columns.
1 second. Grid to
Grid.
template. Grid to
Grid
template
gap.
columns. Grid to template columns equal to something we need to mention
Something.
here. Yes, the next one,
Yes.
third one. What
Percentage.
is the third one again?
Grid gap.
Grid
Grid
column
column.
gap.
Column gap.
column
Why, sir?
gap.
How to get the row gap here?
Grid
Grid,
row
Grid
gap.
row gap.
Gap.
row
Template.
gap. Grid row gap here. Grid row gap here. Next one. How to get the gap in all side here?
Grid
How
gap.
to
Grid
get
gap.
grid gap.
Gap.
We need to go for the grid gap here. Simply, we need to mention the grid gap here. What are the grid gap is there? The grid gap we need to mention here. So try to go for the grid gap here. Next one. What is the sixth one we need to place? Grid gap we need to maintain here. What is the next one we need to see here? Grid. Grid. What is the next one? Grid. At least one.
Grid
row here.
auto.
Grid
Grid
auto.
Grid
auto.
auto.
Grid
Auto
auto.
rows.
Auto
Grid
rows.
auto rows. In that grid auto rows, how to get the responsive here? How to get the responsive? Grid auto rows equal to
Min max.
Repeat.
rows equal to min max.
Min
max.
Min max of minimum should be 100
100
pixel
pixels
and
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 others are auto.
auto here. And the next one.
Yeah.
Any other thing we discussed apart from this one? Any other property we seen apart from this one? Guys, one FR stands for fragment now. Guys,
Fragment.
FR stands for fragment here. What are the one FR is there? That one FR stands for the fragment here. Okay now? Fine.
Yes.
Guys, only basic level examples we seen, guys. So still we have so many examples like auto flow, so auto rows, flex flow,
Sorry.
so many things are there. That things also we need to say here. So and the tomorrow we will continue that one, guys. Within 5 to 10 minutes, join the bootstrap class also. Fun, guys. How to commit the code? Git
Git
add
commit
data.
get
Dot.
Data.
commit
Git.
Git commit
Commit
add
hyphen m
Mm.
hyphen m grid box.
hyphen
How to push it again?
Git
Git
push.
push. Whenever we call the git push, automatically we're able to push the code. Okay na? Fun. Try to practice up tonight here in the tomorrow session here. We need to close this git box.
Yes.
Yes. What is your question, Ravana?
Sir,
Hmm.
when will you start the HTML5?
Yeah. I'm not listening.
HTML.
We will see it now. Let me finish this one. After finishing this one, then I will tell you HTML. Let me finish this one. Okay? After completing this one, then I will go for the HTML
Sir,
separately.
animations, when will you complete, sir?
We will complete it here one by one. We need to see. One by one, we need to see it. Okay na?
Okay.
Okay na? Fine. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Okay.